welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is yet again a very exciting and a special video. It is of course Diwali series which I'm currently doing. So this is again part 2 of Diwali makeup look which you people can achieve while using literally anything which is present in your vanity. I haven't used any brushes, I haven't used any sort of makeup blenders, beauty blenders. I have just used my hands most of the time and just to achieve this look. Without any further ado, let's move on with today's video.
So hello, and to begin with I'll be using a sanitizer because why not? A sanitizer is very important, guys. Don't skip this step because I'll be using my hands mostly, so why not? Next I'm using my Lacto Calamine, forever favorite, you guys will know by this time. So next I'm using Lakme foundation. And I'm using my fingers because basically I don't have that brush which is used to blend properly the foundation, so I use my fingers most of the times. I hardly use brush or a beauty blender, but beauty blender maybe I feel that I don't know why I don't have the perfect tool, or might be. So next I'm using my favorite talcum powder, Pond's, and I'm just taking this brush and I'm just quickly it's no, you kind of a airbrush kind of a thing, you apply a makeup fixer. Now I don't have a makeup fixer yet, so I do have a lot way to go through in makeup, but whatever I do, I try to achieve it whatever I have in my vanity. So I would encourage all of you not to think ki ye nahi hai, so I won't be able to do that. Please don't do it, because I myself, I'm not a professional, but I try to create looks. I try to create and go crazy, be creative as much as possible, whatever with I have. So that is what I feel that all of you should think too. So next I will be doing my eyebrows. Now I am taking a tiny little brush and I'll be taking black matte shade from my one particular eyeshadow palette. Yes guys, I only have one eyeshadow palette. So I feel that by sharing all these things, you guys will probably relate with me or probably think ki, it's not mandatory. It all depends on how creative you can be with whatever the things you have in your vanity. So that is what I am trying to preach right now, because it's important to have a lot of products, a lot of things, so that you can go creative to the par infinity. But to achieve that particular position, I think that I do have a lot of way to go through. But please don't forget to comment down below as to how you did found out this look, because that will be a really informative feedback. So next I'm using my fingers, of course, to apply my eyeshadow. Now since my sari was in the shade of red, green and goldenish, so I wanted to have a very festive kind of a thing. Now for the base part, I am using kind of a maroonish shade from this eyeshadow palette, a bit of maroonish and goldenish. And for the next of the inner corners, I will be using goldenish kind of a shade. So here we have maroon and golden, which is apt for festive looks. I mean, maroon and golden can go with any kind of outfit if your attire has goldenish shade in it. And festive look ke liye, I think these two colors are very apt. Next I'm using the golden from this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Now this is a very chotu eyeshadow palette. I guess it hardly has 4 to 5 shades in it, but it's nonetheless okay. Just quickly blend in with my fingers. Now blending is a very important step. Don't try to skip this part. Next I will have used the eyeliner, and for the lips I am using Blue Heaven, the bubblegum flavor one. So this is a very proper favorite of mine currently, and the winter have just kicked in. So next I am using the mascara, the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Now this is very good. I read few reviews and I found out that this is even better than the basic one. I think that's in the color yellow. I don't know what it's called. And yes, I will be mentioning all the product details and the links in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check that out. Even next I'm using my forever favorite lipsticks, because these are the only lipsticks which I own currently. So So I am using Elitine. Now this is in the shade called Rose Day, if I'm not wrong. I will mention everything in the description box. So the next lipstick is again from Elitine, and this is in the shade called Berry Dance, if I'm not wrong again. So all the details will be mentioned in the description box down below. And if you guys haven't participated in the giveaway video yet, what are you guys waiting for? I will mention all the links in the description box down below, and I'll also try to mention it somewhere on the screen so it gets easier for you all. Now what I do is that I always keep a handy cloth beside me, because you know you can go wrong with makeup also. So next I'm using a blush. So this blush palette is from Hilary Rhoda, if I'm not wrong. I will mention it again. Now I'm just using very tiny amount of blush on my cheekbones because I don't want to overdo it, because my eyes already has this goldenish and maroonish shade, because these two shades are very festive. So I'm just doing very light on my cheekbones, the blush tone. So in order to not to make it overdo it. So my makeup is almost done, and I'll just quickly, I think that my makeup is almost done. The last finishing touch, which I think that everyone should follow, very important, is that applying a good shimmery lighter shade. You can use a highlighter. On what I do, because I don't have a highlighter, I apply the shade of from my eyeshadow palette in the inner corners of my eye, which just enhances your eye look altogether. So my makeup look is almost done. Please do comment down below as to how you did found out this video.
Guys, I do really hope that you have enjoyed this video and taken inspiration and never looked back because कि आपके पास beauty blender नहीं है, because आपके पास वो right brushes नहीं है. I think that whatever is present in your vanity, you can just do wonders with it. Be creative as much as possible and you just rock it. If any of you take inspiration from this particular video and create a similar makeup look, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram as well. I'm highly active. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.